Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you use Aldi wine and alcohol delivery. So here is what you need to do it. So first thing first, to use Aldi's wine and alcohol delivery service, you can typically order through a third-party platform like Instacart or DoorDash, depending on your locations and local law as well. Now, if you have to choose between Instacart and DoorDash, you just want to make sure to open the app, and there you just want to make sure to verify your zip code so that this nearby store is available. After which, you just need to go ahead and look for alcohol on the search bar. You just want to make sure to go ahead and select the alcohol. After which, you just want to make sure to type in that. Here, you just need to go ahead and look for the item that you would like to buy. Let's see, this is the particular alcohol, right? So simply go ahead and select it and add it to your cart. Once you've added the product to your cart, then you will be asked to verify your identity. So depending on your age, you just want to make sure to enter in your card number and your permissions and the legal age as well. After which, when you receive the delivery, you just want to make sure that you must be home. Now, other person will not be able to accept it. The one who has actually ordered, the person has to be acceptable, and you can just go ahead and show your ID and buy it out. So this way, you are supposed to use Aldi wine and alcohol delivery. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.